Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you create a group in the Messenger app. So it's a very easy procedure. First of all, you have to open your Messenger app, and there you can see the edit option or the pencil icon at the top right corner. You have to click on it, and on the very first you can got the option of create a group chat. If you click on it, you got all the friends you have. You have to simply click on it or on the person profile and add the person into the group. In this way you can create a group of your friends or your office or your business on the messenger. So it is the very easy procedure. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any doubt, any confusion, please mention in the comments, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.